So this is a 30,000 mile update video on the dual steering stabilizers. So Ford has when you look up here, they have a stabilizer, but it's a drag link. This right here, that's your drag link, and that up there is your factory drag link stabilizer. A lot of people comment or they're saying, that these aftermarket stabilizer kits are just a band-aid, but they don't offer a fix. What's the fix? I got two buddies that own a they both own a 2010 6.4 F350, and they both have either a slight wobble or they've experienced death wobble. Bob has done complete front end, like new ball joints, new bushings, everything, and he still has a wobble. My friend Rob, he has just a slight wobble, highway speeds when he hits, like, certain bumps. But they're both going to be doing their dual steering stabilizer kit. This, I mentioned in my other video too that, yeah, it's a band-aid, but actually when you think about it, even, when people say, well, it's just a band-aid, again, don't just tell me it's a band-aid and not offer a solution. What's the solution? Because you can replace all the bushings, all the ball bearings, all you want, and you're still going to have a wobble or a slight shimmy. This right here will cure the death wobble. Now, that doesn't mean you can never replace, you don't have to replace bushings or tie rods or whatever. That stuff's going to go out, and those things contribute to a death wobble. Bad bushings on the track bar contribute to death wobble. As a matter of fact, bushings on my track bar, my 2011, that was the leading cause of the death wobble experience in my 2011 Ram. I got new bushings, boom, took care of it. But I had a single stabilizer on that truck, and it was the factory one from Ram. Anyways, this right here, when I did enough thinking, I was thinking about, people comment it's a band-aid or whatever. No, this is the cure. But it doesn't mean you can let other parts, it doesn't mean you can neglect other parts. Still gotta make sure your bushings are good, still gotta make sure you got good tie rods, brand new, whatever, like, that stuff needs to be maintained. But this right here, this is the cure.